guys, Link here from Gardening Express, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Ficus Benjamina Anastasia. Now this is also known as a weeping fig plant, and it's famous for its beautiful glossy green leaves and its bushy and weeping habit. Now this plant doesn't like too much water, so only water it when the soil feels dry. It does like bright indirect light. Now if supported correctly, it can reach a height of 3 meters, but you might not want to do that when it's indoors. So just give it a quick prune and keep it nice and neat. If you like something that's relatively easy to care for, very impressive looking and gives that jungle vibe, then the weeping fig tree is the plant for you. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out other videos on our channel. That's all from me. See you guys later.